A lot of the new candidates that we bring in are surprised at the depth of talent that we have here at OIT. One of the best parts of being part of OIT is the role is a broader depth and a broader breadth than you could get in a niche role in the corporate environment.
Within my area, we use Scrum, and we use Scrum to deliver new software every 2 weeks to our customers. At the core of Scrum is a daily stand-up where everyone on the team gets together and we talk about the progress of our projects. It includes everybody on the team, including our developers, our designers, our QA staff, and also our user support staff. We bring up any impediments that are slowing us down, and we also use this as an opportunity to ask others for design input or ask somebody else to test out a new feature.
I have been with OIT for almost 12 years. About 2 years ago, we implemented this Science DMZ network, which we named UCI Lightpath, a high-speed network for the purpose of improving file transfer over the network for a big set of data. One of our tasks is to outreach to our faculty members and researchers to find their networking needs in order to support their teaching and research better.
My team works on a web application that offers instructors and students tools for teaching and learning. We do everything from programming to the support to working with the vendors who support systems that we don't directly develop ourselves. So we're a web development team that also does a lot of user interaction. We're constantly out on the campus talking to people, trying to get a better understanding of what innovative instructors want to do, what roadblocks people are hitting in their teaching or their learning, and how we can use technology to help overcome some of those roadblocks.
I started out as a student employee working on the help desk support team. After graduation, I transitioned from user support to Java development and then to data warehousing. This is a very exciting time to work on the data warehouse and business intelligence teams. We are currently working on an enterprise data warehousing project that will include data from our finance system, our HR system, and our student systems, as well as research administration.
UCI maintains a couple of data centers across the UCI campus. Our primary data center offers robust power and cooling infrastructure to minimize service outages. We have deployed some of the latest and greatest technologies. We also offer the opportunity to work with some of the latest and greatest computing and storage infrastructures.
So on a daily basis, the OIT Help Desk receives hundreds of emails, phone calls, and walk-ins combined because we are the primary technical support desk for the entire campus. In addition, we provide technical support to retirees, as well as alumni, and even our new student applicants. How do we support these many thousands of users? Well, we have a dedicated staff of 7 full-timers, and now about 30 student workers who work around the clock.
First and foremost, the university is beautiful. We have a big park at the middle of it. I go there for picnics at lunch sometimes. It helps me feel a little bit more in touch with kind of the evolving and changing world that a college naturally is.
We have opportunities to attend lectures and seminars given by the world-class researchers and scholars. It's intellectually very stimulating.
People tend to come here and stay here because they have some intrinsic motivation where they feel like what they do matters. In my team, we feel like building these tools, supporting instructors in using these tools, is something that can help us indirectly support students. So if we teach an instructor how to use an online tool really effectively, we are helping the students that instructor teaches succeed. And that's really exciting.
OIT also offers many opportunities for employees for continuing their education. I have taken many UCI extension courses in project management, in data warehousing, and business intelligence.
We frequently move people and their careers throughout our organization so that it not only benefits us, it also benefits everyone's careers in tandem.